Anyway, guys, little change of scenery for you all. But back a couple months ago, my parents got us a family cabin for the family, and I'm at it this evening, tonight with them, spending the night here, and I'm gonna do a cabin tour. So this is the living room. Along the back of the house, kind of doing back of the house towards the front of the house. My parents' bedroom. Then the bathroom. Can also get to the porch through my parents' bedroom. Then up here's the extra guest beds. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beds up here. Pretty cool. Then walking down the stairs. Go this way. The kitchen and like dining room area. One of the best parts is the porch. The screen porch. Do a walk around of the house outside. Somewhere back that way, there's a little pond. And also, that is so cool right there. Wow. I've never seen a locust or whatever kind of bug that is in the process of that stage before. That's so cool. Nature. This cabin is in the mountains. So could be bears here, which is really cool. Two weekends ago, my brother and my dad saw a rattlesnake here. Timber rattlesnake. Could be copperheads. Other types of snakes too. Obviously so many critters. So peaceful. In that building is like a little shower. And a little shed. Gonna be some updates to the cabin probably within the next year or so as well.